So I'm back working on the Mini. Thanks to Australia Post, the MIG tips went on walkabout and they finally arrived. So first job was to weld that little bit onto this patch so I can fix in here. In one go, because that's too small a patch to try and weld in. So I welded it onto there. I couldn't get it to bend, couldn't get the piece to bend in the exact spot required. So now that'll be able to be welded into there. That'll weld into there. And then I'll put the other one on top after doing a bit of rust treat and that to that one.